Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This 8-bedroom, 5-bathroom house is in its building stages. It is located in Boscobel Heights, St. Mary. The land size is 0.12 acres. Already completed is the kitchen area, bathrooms, open living and dining area, just to name a few. The new owner is able to make the changes to the structure now and conform this massive partial canvas into the home of their dreams. Imagine sitting on the balcony, either having your cup of coffee in the morning or enjoying a glass of wine, being fascinated by the ocean view. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 40 million or US $259.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.